Hey, I'm Dan Thomas, and welcome to my channel for the Newbie Woodworker, or anyone really. I'm going to be showing my inexperience with hand saws here, so cut me some slack. But I just used this Irwin pull saw, and it was so awesome I had to share it. Quick backstory. I'm making the build video for my crosscut sled that works with blade guards, and I say that you can make this crosscut using a hand saw if you want, so I thought I'd demonstrate even though I hate hand saws. My friend Matt Jackson from Next Level Carpentry recommended this Irwin pull saw, so I bought it on Amazon for around $25, give or take. So let's see it in action. This workpiece already had a kerf that I started on the table saw. You'll have to watch the build video to learn why. You can see I'm not very good at this, and sawing on this workmate isn't the easiest thing in the world. You gotta understand that I don't like using hand saws, so in general, I don't. But if I'm telling people they can cut this by hand, I better try it out myself. This is 2 laminated pieces of 3/4 inch Baltic birch plywood, and in case you don't know, Baltic birch plywood is extremely tough. I'm showing this in real time without any practice, so you can see that even if you're a total novice at using a handsaw, this saw is awesome. And I'm done in about 33 seconds. And I put almost no effort into this. Here's a different angle. It's a pull saw, which means it does most of its work as you pull it towards you. Notice the sawdust coming out the top. I realize there's all types of saws for all kinds of purposes. There's no such thing as one saw to rule them all. But you gotta appreciate what this saw can do, cutting through Baltic birch plywood like this. Look at the teeth on this thing. That's some serious bite right there. But don't take my word for it. Try it for yourself. There's a link in the description below. Then leave a comment and let us know what you think. Make sure to check out Matt Jackson's YouTube channel, Next Level Carpentry. There's a link in the description. Hey, do me a favor and click that thumbs up button. It's the only way small channels like mine get noticed by YouTube. If you've used this saw, don't forget to leave a comment. Subscribe if you haven't already, and ring that bell to get notified of new releases. Thanks!